Yep. Yes, my hair looks very this colour, but it's because I dyed it. It's gonna get fixed hopefully. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kim. Nice to meet you. I'm feeling very energetic today. I've just finished filming this video and I could have done with the energy during the video, but no, I'm energetic now. So today I'm doing this look, which is like a peach toned look inspired by this picture I saw on Pinterest. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Primer that I have been recently using, and I'll just apply it like this. Oh, they look beautiful. And then I'll just blend it in. So now I'm going to go in and colour correct. Oh, my voice sounded weird then. No? Okay. I'm going to colour correct using this Revolution concealer and correct concealer in green, just because I've been looking a little bit red lately with spots and such. So I kind of just want to cover those up because I don't want to have a red face. Oh my god, that spot was painful. So I'm going to blend it using the Real Technique sponge today. I decided to change it up a bit. So now that we look like the mask, I'm going to apply, I'm going to say concealer. There is now yellow eyeshadow and foundation, and a big chunk out of the honey eyeshadow. So now we're going to do foundation. This is the, you couldn't even see that because I didn't hold it properly, Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I'm going to go quite light-handed with this, for the fact that even though it's the shade F2, which is one of the lighter shades, it's still fairly dark. I mean, I'm going to be orange, but it's fine. I mean, we are going for a peach look, right? Peaches, oranges, similar colour. I just with the tiny dot on my forehead, and my forehead is ginormous. Okay, I don't want to put too much foundation on my forehead because at the minute it's seeming like a pretty good colour match, so I'm just going to blend this line up and put a little bit in the centre. So now I'm going to use a concealer I don't think I've used on this channel before. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Porcelain Beige. I haven't used it on the channel before because I didn't like it. I felt it was too heavy for under my eyes, but the way that I now conceal, it works just fine. I can't put it in big triangles under my eyes because it's too heavy, but I just apply. I learned this from TikTok. I need to stop doing these little TikTok tricks during actual videos and do an actual video on it. So I'll just apply it, like, I've come closer, like here. Oh, that was a bit messy. And here. And I'm going to do this side first, just because this I found this concealer. Okay, English. I found this concealer. What was I even saying? dries quickly. I'm trying to say it dries quickly while taking forever to say that. So, oh wow, that's... So you really don't need a lot of this concealer. Okay, when I did this the other day, it wasn't this... Oh, I used a different shade the other day. How this concealer matches my sister when she is darker skinned than I am is beyond me, because this is too light even for me. Doesn't look bad. Okay, so now that I've realised that concealer is far too light, I'm not concealing anything else with it, because it will just highlight the areas I want to conceal. So now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier, you can't see that, where is it? There it is, I don't know if you can see that, there we go. The Laura Mercier, I don't know if I'm saying that right, translucent powder. And I'm going to take what's in the lid, like there's just a little tiny bit in the lid, and I'm going to put it on this little bitty brush and just dust it on under the eyes, basically just to set the concealer. We just put it in. You see how that's taken like the harshness off of it? Thanks for you, Marvelous, yeah. My slightly bigger brush, this is the Unicorn Cosmetics one that I got in my mystery box, and I'm just gonna couldn't even close it. I'm now going to bronze. Don't fall. I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer that mine is broken. It won't close. Yep, I broke it the first day of having it. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm just gonna bronze a little bit on the forehead. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna take this blush I've never used on here before. It's my sister's. Thanks, Abs. BH Cosmetics Floral Brush. This is in the shade Caribbean Coral, and it's this really pretty colour. I'm going to focus on getting more of... I nearly ended up like that girl on TikTok where she's like just bashing the powder with the plastic. I did not realise this had plastic on top until this light was on. I'm going to focus more on this peachy orange colour. I don't know what it looks like when it's all sort of together. That was a bad idea. I got a bad idea. Just ruined my makeup with some blush. I might actually... I'm going to do what I did in my last video and talk to myself, because we love that. I'm going to use the Too Faced Lip Injection Ultimate Lip Plumper again. This is not the permanent one, the permanent long-term one, I don't know. This is the regular one. I'm going to put it on because I want nice. Plump lips. Full, glossy. Just gonna through them and hope for the best. My lips look like they belong on a brat doll. Eyes. Gonna make them look pretty. You know that thing where you know you have a palette, but then you threw it away ages ago because you didn't think you were ever going to use it again? That's what happened to me. I saw this look. I was like, oh my god, I can do a peach look. Like, this look is definitely very inspired. And I was like, oh my god, yes, I can use this palette. No, I can't use the palette because I threw it away because I'm an idiot. So now I've had to use multiple palettes to try and get the right colours for my eyes. So if it doesn't turn out great, makeup is experimental and you're not going to get it perfect all the time. Let's attempt this. First palette I'm going to use is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. And I'm literally using one shade in here, and that is the shade Utopia, which is this peachy shade here. I think some of the lip gloss got on my tongue, and I'm just going to blend it all over kind of thing. See, pretty. I'm going to use the shade from the Revolution Pro palette, Halftime, which is this shade. Oh, it looks awful on camera already. But it's the only like peachy, reddish, orangey tone I have. I'm going to try going with it. This doesn't have it. Go in the crease first with a slightly lighter hand. Okay, I'm going to add a bit more of the peach and like try and blend it in the middle of it. I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend it. And then I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to use the Anastasia eye primer to cut the crease. I'm going to shake it and apply the tiniest bit to the back of my hand because a little bit really does go a long way with this product. Truly a dot. Do you see that? A flat shader brush. And I'm going to start, when you have like eyes like mine, I tend to go above the crease part just so that you can see it. Like that. I'm going to set that in place with a white shadow. So I'm going to use the same palette, this one, the Trends Mischief Matte, and I'm going to take the shade Saint. Ooh. And tap it on there. Oh, that looks cute already. But the next step, I'm going to take some of this pink, but like a lighter hand, and fade it from like here out. So I'm going to take the Kat Von D liquid liner just because it hasn't run out. I know there's a lot of thingy around the company right now, which is just KVD Beauty now. She's stepped away. But I'm going to use it because it's not run out yet and it cost a lot of money and it's really good. I'm just really thin lining it. Cute. I'm going to apply this darker shade under the eye. And I'm going to take this teeny cute blending brush just to blend it out a little bit and make it a bit softer. How cute is this brush? I'm going to apply white also on the inner corner. Then for the fun part, I'm going to apply lashes. Ooh. These are the Unicorn Cosmetic ones I got in my last unboxing video. These are them in Stormy. They're really fluffy. I love fluffy lashes. Just so cute. I'm going to curl my regular lashes, put my mascara on, which is the L'Oreal Paris Waterproof False Lash Fibre Extreme Resist one. So I'm going to just curl these lashes, being extra careful. Because recently this eyelash curler has been ripping my eyelashes out. I sort of like to look down into it because then I don't get it all over my beautiful eyeshadow that I just spent forever doing. So I take the lash and I apply glue to the band. Boop, boop, boop. Wait for them to get tacky. I'm going to apply the other eye and I'll be right back. Both eyes are done. Yeah. So now I'm going to do highlight. I'm going to use my favourite highlight and it's the Ofra Pillow Talk highlighter. This is in the old packaging because why buy a new one in the new packaging when I haven't used this yet? Sure. And it's a nice white pinkish tone which I think goes with this look really well. Ooh. And I'm going to apply a little bit up here to the brow bone. Not that I can get to it because of the lashes. I chose this peachy colour. This is the Camila Havana collection with L'Oreal in Serendipity. I think it's glued itself shut. Open it. Ooh. Look at that colour. It is a honeydew, a lip dew, so it's not like balm colour, but it's like a gloss. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below and like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you're notified every time I post a video, which is usually Wednesdays and Sundays at 5 PM. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.